Did you know that there is an app on the App Store that you can download? It's called Duolingo. And this is an app that can teach you different languages, international languages, but it can also give you an introduction to the isiZulu language. Did you know that? It's called Duolingo. 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 Okay. I would like to say something about the isiZulu version, or the isiZulu program on Duolingo, and specifically when it comes to two words. There are actually more than two words that, as a linguist who specializes or who focuses especially on the isiZulu language, I found a couple of words and expressions on the app that is in teaching non-mother tongue speakers the isiZulu language that I thought that they could improve. Okay? I will mention the words, and then I will also give you the derivation of one of those words. Actually, all three of them come from the Afrikaans language, so they are amabizo Mfowethu. They are words that have been borrowed or placed into the isiZulu language. Three words. The first one is the word Bhuti. Bhuti. Okay, so on the app they teach non-mother tongue speakers that the word for brother is the word Bhuti. Now many people won't object. They'd say, "Wow, hey, indlela esikhuluma ngayo sithi Bhuti, kunjani Bhuti, unjani?" But if you want to speak isiZulu esiphusile, isiZulu esiqondile, isiZulu esimsulwa, pure isiZulu, straight isiZulu, clean isiZulu, the word is not Bhuti, it is Mfowethu. And now about the derivation. The word Bhuti comes from the Afrikaans language. Did you know that? And it actually comes from a certain version of the Afrikaans language. Actually, if you go far back into history, it is part of a Dutch dialect. This specific word, boetje, that found its way, this was part of Old Afrikaans, but eventually found its way into many languages. I think especially the isiXhosa language uses this word, Bhuti, to a great degree. In isiZulu, Mfowethu. The other word also on the app, on Duolingo, is the word Sisi. The correct isiZulu word to use there would be Dadewethu, and not Sisi. Okay, so it's a couple of corrections when it comes to the app. The word Sisi, which derives also from the Afrikaans language, Sisi. Sy is my sister, Dadewethu, ngoluka haka ulimi ngolimi lwe-Afrikaans. My sister, uma ufinyeza lelo gama elithi sister lizoba Sisi. And that is the way that it has been adopted by many languages in South Africa. But the more proper word to use in isiZulu would be Dadewethu. And then the third word on the Duolingo app that I noticed was ne at the end. Well, there we go. Load shedding as I am recording this video. By the way, what is the word for load shedding in isiZulu? If I remember correctly, one linguist said the word for load shedding is mnyamabomu. If I remember correctly, there's another word that somebody coined. It's the word ucimicimi. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthi kuyacishwa ugesi ngamabomu, ucimicimi. So there we go. I gave you the three words. The one was Bhuti, Sisi, and ne. The third one was ne at the end of a sentence. Uyamthanda ne. Did you know that ne derives also from the Afrikaans language? So, three words that we find on the Duolingo app in teaching people isiZulu that have been borrowed. If you love the isiZulu language, and you are you have a fire inside of you to keep the language isiZulu and to minimize the amount of words that you borrow. Maybe that can also be improved. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bakwethu. Hey, ucimicimi, hey, uyahlupha namuhla. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bakwethu.